The first thought that emerges with these cards is that the true balance of a universe is to thrive. Balance is not a lack of change, it is a dynamic process, and in this particular universe it is also an ongoing interplay between opposites. This is where balance is a harmonious blend that inspires growth. The true balance of a universe is to thrive in love. Love is the universal force that propels all existence. Love is our spiritual teacher. Love helps in self-balance, where we foster both a love for a partner and maintaining our own identity, goals, and self-love. We receive love and we give love. This is consistent support. This is to be in the stream of consistent love blessings. This is the blessing of symmetry, where we not only live in harmony with our spiritual path, but where we know that romantic love is spiritual in nature too. Our love life is a blessing in symmetry. It is also where balance in love is a blessing, where both partners feel supported and grow together as well as grow individually. This is love that is a harmonious belonging. To live a life of love blessings is what the truest balance or state of life is. We are meant to thrive in love. We are meant to constantly live love blessings. Thank you. Unarakas dartietas di krakan sierta. Nankartos di korokono unk ochta orokos da araka. La arakas di ka anang karaka la arakas di karaka lu orokos di ka ahan. Nanurtietas di karaka nanurtietas di karaka lu uhunurti. Lu uhunurti lu uhunurta astika ahan. Nartietas di karaka lu orokon sihta. La arakas di ka anang karaka lu orokos dartierta. La nartietas di karaka la arokos di ko uhun nongkortietas di karaka. Lankartietas di ko unung korko lu unung das dirta. Lanartietas di karaka. Lanartietas di karaka lu orokon sihta. La anartietas di karaka lu orokon sihta. La arakas dartos di ko orkos di korokondi unda araka. Undartietas di karaka. Undartietas di karaka. Lankarakas di ka ahan. Andortietas di ka. Ankaraka. Ankaraka. Ankaraka.